Driveway slope determines whether a self-leveling sealant will hold in the joint or simply run away. When applying self-leveling sealant on a sloped driveway, choose a product that matches the pitch and joint profile and follow surface preparation steps meticulously. Clean the joint of all debris and dust and dry it thoroughly because moisture and particles interfere with adhesion and change flow characteristics. For slopes greater than a gentle incline, use a semi-self-leveling sealant that has higher sag resistance but still flows enough to form a smooth surface. These formulas contain thicker thickeners or polymers that reduce run while maintaining tooling-free finish. Work in short, controlled sections rather than trying to fill long runs at once, so you can observe how the sealant behaves and stop if it starts to migrate. Use a backer rod size to the joint width to limit sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion, which causes premature failure. Set the backer rod so the sealant sits slightly below the pavement plane. If you must work on a steep section, consider masking the edges and tooling the bead before the material has fully leveled to lock it in place without leaving ridges. Common problems include the sealant running down the joint, which leaves gaps and inconsistent coverage. Prevent this by switching to a semi-self-leveling formula, reducing bead depth with a backer rod, and filling smaller segments to control flow. Another issue is inadequate adhesion from residual moisture or contaminants, which leads to peeling. Solve this by thoroughly cleaning with a stiff brush or pressure wash, allowing full drying time, and using a compatible primer when recommended by the manufacturer. A third concern is overfilling joints on a slope, causing the sealant to pool at low points and attract dirt. Avoid this by measuring joint volume, using a nozzle or dispensing gun with controlled output, and tooling excess material into place immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like driveway sealing so we can find local help and share real experiences. Our community discussion boards let us exchange tips on product selection, application techniques, and trusted local professionals while contractors can find work and showcase their skills.